Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, sorry, he's also there. Our channel.
Emotional, damn it!
Welcome to our incomplete home right now.
A few moments later.
हमारा सारा फर्नीचर आ चुका है. So
और हमारी आज के कैमरामैन है मनोज जिनको ये करना बहुत पसंद है.
basically सब कुछ बिखरा हुआ है, पड़ा हुआ है, and yeah, come have a look. फिर आपको before and after क्या होता है पता चलेगा.
ये है सीटिंग. यहाँ पे हम बैठे हैं.
नहीं, ये है हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन पिट. आई डोंट नो मुझे ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया, बट नीचे वाले घर में भी मैंने ऐसे ही बनाया था when we got married, and I think बहुत ही कोजी सिटिंग होता है, and with a view like this, तो मतलब it's just amazing. यहाँ पर घंटे बीतते हैं and पता भी नहीं चलता. So yeah, it's nice to have something.
हाँ हाँ.
Photo we took on our shadi, we took it here.
Yeah.
How's that picture?
Good.
How's that picture? Okay, अब मैं आपको मिलाना चाहती हूँ the person who's behind putting this whole thing together and making our dream a reality. Please meet our designer, Payal Makwana.
Prepared for this very last minute, but I will do my best.
My first question I'm going to ask you is that what you explained to us, try to make us understand about design architecture and design language and about something from outside to inside.
So, what I was trying to say was that this is not just an interior design home, it's an architectural interior design home where we've taken the outside, inside, merged every room into each other with the different elements that are bringing all the whole house theme together. Alright, so if you see the stone which is coming from outside to inside, flowing into the powder bathroom, it's flowing into the kitchen, it's flowing where it is, it's basically merging the outside to the inside, and the beach house vibe is not stopped anywhere, it's flowing, whether you see the curves as well, the curves are also just flowing everywhere.
I wonder who wanted a beach house.
The moment she said you have to see the curves you walked in.
Oh, thanks.
Yes.
No, watching these curves, eh?
Just look at the curves. They are everywhere and flowing. They are not at all disturbing anything. They don't look forceful. They just flow with the entire theme of the house.
And next question is, who has better choice, Sona or me?
I am not going to answer that question.
Which means me.
Obviously.
Come on.
He married me, no?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
That's Obed. He is my life supervisor.
I thought that was me.
Huh?
I thought that was me.
Maybe you're my wife supervisor.
Our bathroom mirror has been put. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
पहले तो ये जब बेसिन का जो टैप है तो बेसिन है ज़्यादा तो पानी ऐसे सेंटर पे गिरना चाहिए जेन्युइनली मेरा कंसर्न यहाँ पे पानी गिरेगा ना तो जब हाथ धोते तो पीछे गिरता है एंड देन योर हैंड समटाइम्स टचेस द बेसिन देन आई हैव टू वॉश इट अगेन वो एक चीज़ थी और दूसरी ये चीज़ ये थी कि मुझे फर्नीचर और पूरा वाइब ये चाहिए था कि पूरे घर में कुछ भी चीज़ पे तुम खड़े होकर डांस कर सको मेरा ब्रीफ ये था कि एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी स्टडी इफ यू सी एनीथिंग अराउंड द हाउस तो हाँ तो हर चीज़ वैसी थी
Speakers लग गए.
Oh wow, this is the testing of a speaker winner.
Coming to my idea of my dream home, which is the opposite.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए clean space, beige, whites. तो I think ये पायल के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा headache था to combine both our choices and preferences और एक खूबसूरत सा घर बनाए जहाँ पर we would both love to live. तो आई थिंक कुछ स्पेसेस है जिसमें मेरी सारी ख्वाहिशें पूरी की गई हैं एंड कुछ स्पेसेस हैं जहाँ पर ज़हीर के विशेस को ध्यान में रखा गया है एंड आई थिंक शी इज कम अप विद
और
समथिंग
मेरे पेरेंट्स का भी
और पेरेंट्स का
एक चीज थी मार्बल
एग्जैक्टली
यू नो हाउ द वे शाहरुख खान फील्स अबाउट फिल्म्स माय फादर फील्स अबाउट मार्बल फॉर सम रीजन
Okay, I have finally caught the busiest person in this house right now, Payal Makwana, who's our interior designer. Yeah, so tell us your experience and go from the beginning.
From the beginning,
Yeah.
right. This house is like yin and yang, and I think it's a perfect balance of male, female, Shiva and Shakti. Yeah.
That's
and
such a nice way to put it.
Yes,
Yeah.
when it comes to Sona's,
That's me.
you know, you'll see every door, every window has the shape of the arch, and every wall, there are no harsh edges. Everything is a curve. And when it comes to Zahir's personality, I think it's flamboyant, it's sharp, and just like him, very witty. Now, what you'll see later is a lot of color that is going to come in, with which is again his personality. The one biggest part was his red bike.
Oh
from
God, can I tell the story of the red
Please.
bike? So basically Zahir को घर के बीच में लिविंग रूम में एक स्पोर्ट्स बाइक चाहिए थी. It was his dream to always have a sports bike in the middle of his living room. Imagine a bright red bike in my face every time I wake up in the morning and come out of my living room. I don't want to see a red bike, right? थोड़े थोड़े कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर करके वो बाइक लिविंग रूम के बीच से थोड़ा साइड पे चला गया, फिर साइड से घर के बाहर ही चला गया. सो नाउ द बाइक इज इन आवर फॉयर. फाइनली ज़हीर का बाइक आ रहा है and हम लोग सब इंतजार में. डैड, what do you think of his bike?
Superb. I love it.
I don't know about that bike.
And it was his dream.
It was his dream to keep it in the house. But I'm glad he's keeping it in the lobby. Okay. अभी अगर बाइक I love how he wore sunglasses and come. Oh my god. Too good, man. Too good. Do little vroom vroom. Do little vroom vroom. Do little vroom vroom.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, अगली बार
Sorry.
Be careful.
Bumped into that.
अगली बार जब हम आपसे मिलेंगे तब हमारा घर रेडी होगा. And I can't wait to show you guys.
Can't also wait to walk straight in life without falling.
See you in the next video. Mwah.